Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs, and I paint monsters at haunted attractions all over the world. Come on and join me. Good morning, my people. We are back in studio. Yes, we're going to conquer and destroy today. We have 4 more pieces to go. We got 2 8x8's on the wall, and they are scarecrows. Yes. The next 2 will be jack-o'-lanterns. So we're going to throw down today, start to finish. Thanks for coming on board, people. Thanks for watching. Hey, like and subscribe. Working hard to give you guys some decent videos, so I hope you appreciate it. Please watch to the end of the video so you can see the finished product, and we'll see you in the next video. You all take care.